Today we're going to be talking about what eyeshadows and liners suit blue eyes. So pinks and purples, you have to be careful with what kind of pink, but purples can be beautiful. Lavender, aubergine, plum, taupes and browns, which kind of suit everyone, but they can be really warming if you feel like your eye colour is kind of cold. Greys and golds can be beautiful to make them really stand out. So if you like something like a smoky, smudgy liner, then like a charcoal grey or a gold can really make a huge difference with little effort. Oranges, again, warm golds, terracotta, especially if you've got green, blue eyes can really bring out the green side of the blue. So if you've got green, blue eyes, then purple, lavenders, plums, aubergine, a lovely warm brown liner can look great. For dark blue eyes, you're looking for something like a burnt orange, deep bronzes, charcoal, plum. They can be absolutely stunning. For a more grey blue eye, then steely grey, salmon pink, corals and beiges can be really beautiful, especially if they have a slightly warm undertone, because these can be kind of cool eyes, so a bit of a warmth in the eyeshadow or the eyeliner can really give nice dimension. As always though, wear the colour that you like to wear. Number one thing of choosing eyeliners, eyeshadows, anything, if you pick a colour that's going to do something for your eye colour, bring it out or suit you, but you're never going to wear it because you don't like it, then there's no point in buying it. A really lovely go-to for blue eyes though is something simple, a simple purple. Anything in the purple tone is going to just bring the blue out, highlight any green. It's probably not going to be too cool. Can work really beautifully.